Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Recently I purchased a little haul from Gelnailsuk UK. They are a UK authorised distributor for Bluesky. So in this video I'll be showing you what I purchased, as well as doing some gel polish swatches which I'll be showing matte and glossy. You can find all the links for the items I've purchased in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So here's what I purchased. We have a selection of the Gelnailsuk UK nail files, 5 Bluesky gel polishes and a tube of clear Bluesky gum gel. So I'll start with the nail files, and these are the Gelnailsuk UK files. I went for a pack of 5 which are all different grits. This way I can try out all of them to see which ones I actually want. So there is a 100 100, a 100 180, a 150 150, a 180 180 and a 240 240. The 3 at the top I have already used, as you can see, with 180 180. At the making of this video, the 2 at the bottom I hadn't used, but I have now since used all of them. These are called Zebra Moon nail files. I personally prefer this shape of file to any other. That arch at the top can really get nicely up into the cuticle area. The different grits are really nice. Again, personally I prefer files that have the same grit each side, and I have, since of the making of this video, purchased a pack of 5 files in the 150 150, the 180 180 and the 240 240 grits. I honestly really like these files. They're so nice to use. The grit is really nice and they file beautifully. Next we have the clear Bluesky gum gel. I have been using this for 15 months now and I love it. I use it as overlays on my natural nails. I've tried others, but I always end up back at gum gel. This is only my second tube in the 15 months, but I do only use it on myself. It's a 60ml tube, which is a really nice size, and it's priced at £24.99. So I personally think this is really good value for money. I will be breaking into this tube very soon, as my nails really need a new set. Now I want to share this with you so you don't make the huge mistake that I did. But my old tube was almost empty and I was having a really hard time getting the gum gel out of the tube. So I decided to cut into the tube and empty it into these little white pots. Well, what a huge mistake that was. All that's done is create gum gel with huge, and I mean huge, air bubbles, which I can't get out. I've tried all sorts. This is why my nails are now in a mess and really needing a new set. So don't do this. The only place these pots are now good for is the bin, and I was absolutely gutted when this happened. I could have kicked myself, really. So this new tube, I will not be making the same mistake again. So I was so gutted. So these are the 5 gel polishes. I chose 5 colours which I felt was missing from my Bluesky gel polish collection. Now the green on the end doesn't have a colour lid like the other 4 do, so I've made a bottle lid already for it. For these swatches I will be using my Bluesky No Wipe top coat and their matte top coat. Now this matte top coat doesn't have a no wipe, this one has a tacky layer. It is also one of my favourite matte top coats to use. So the first gel polish is called Carefree, and these are in the 10ml bottles, and this is a soft pink which sort of has a lilac undertone to it. It's very pretty. I love the consistency of Bluesky gel polishes. They are really nice and I definitely needed a pink. The next colour is called Daydream, and this is a soft baby blue. I already have 2 other blues, but they are much darker, so this is perfect for a spring blue colour. Can't wait to create a mani using Daydream. Next we have a beautiful nude called Nude Zone. This is a very soft nude. A nude in my Bluesky collection was seriously missing, so again I'm excited for this colour. I will be at the end of that particular swatch show you Nude Zone on my nails. These first three are from the Spring Summer 2018 collection, and there is 10 in this whole collection. Next we have another gel polish. This one doesn't have a name on its bottle, but it does have a number on the top, but it is actually called Dandelion. This is a beautiful peachy apricot colour. It's a fantastic colour for the spring and summer months. It might seem a little bit brighter on camera than what it actually is. And then finally we have the green in the old style bottles, and this has the number A47 on the bottle, but it is also called Mental Mint, and it is a classic mint green colour. I love mint green colours. If you follow me regularly, you'll know that. I have quite a few, and they do range in shade though, so this will be another well used colour. So starting off the swatches, I'm going to begin with Carefree. As I've said in other gel polish swatch videos, I like to control my beads by wiping off all the gel and then picking up a smaller bead. I'll make sure that each layer is thin but also well covered. Now as you can see, this is an extremely pale pink, but you can see the purpley undertone coming through. So once I've finished applying, I will give that a full cure for 60 seconds, and I'll also make sure that I've capped the free edge. I'll then apply my second layer. Now with Carefree, I did do a swatch of 3 coats, but I don't know what I've done with it. It does build up nicely in layers, and I would probably say 2 to 3 coats depending on how you like your pink to be. Personally for me, I would probably go with 3 coats. So after curing, I've applied a layer of the Bluesky top coat, and this is a really pretty colour, great for spring manis, and whether you go matte or glossy, it is so very pretty, and I already have a mani in mind for this colour. Next we have Daydream, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. Now for me, Daydream would be a colour that I would use all year round. For spring manis, for some florals, even pattern manis, then moving right on through till winter and creating snowflake manis. There is great possibilities. I also want to see how Daydream works with the other 2 blues that I have from Bluesky. Now I like to cure all my gel polishes for 60 seconds. This is just a personal choice, but these Bluesky gel polishes I've also cured for 30 seconds as well, and they have cured just the same. This is just a personal preference for curing for 60 seconds. Daydream builds up really nicely in 2 even thin coats, and it looks great. I'm excited to add this to my collection. Now that all the layers have been fully cured and top coated, this is such a pretty colour. I think personally I prefer it matte though, but it is so pretty. Next we have Nude Zone. Now with Nude Zone, you'll see that it is extremely pale. This is definitely a gel polish that needs to be built up in layers. The first layer is very sheer. Now I also did do a swatch of 3 coats, but unfortunately it's lost along with the pink. I'm so cross with myself. But again, it builds up nicely. I was hoping this would be much deeper in colour, in a sense more nude. However, I have found a way I like to use this, which I will show as well. But as you'll see, the 2 coats, it's still very pale. But if you're after a very pale nude, then this would definitely be the one for sure. So now I've fully cured and also top coated a very pretty but pale nude. Either matte or glossy, it's a good base colour. Now when I filmed this video, my nails were terrible and I really needed a new set, but I didn't have the time to do it. So I decided to add just 1 layer of Nude Zone over the top of my gum gel enhancements, and I really liked it. It sort of gave it a soft nude but natural look to them. Now the glossy one was the ones that I did first. I did like them glossy, it looked nice, but when I did my full new set, I decided to do the same, but I went matte, which gives it a lovely look. I love this on my nails. It's very natural, covers them really well. I can see me doing this for quite a while. Next we have Dandelion. Now in the last few days I've had another 5 gel polishes from Bluesky arrive, so I'll be doing another swatch review on them in the coming weeks. Bluesky are one of my 2 main brands of gel polish that I use. I've never had any curing issues, they last really well. Bluesky is actually the brand I started with when I first became a home user many years ago, and even though I am a nail tech, I still really like them and they are one of my favourite. Dandelion is a fantastic colour for both spring and summer, but I also want to try Halloween and autumnal manis as well. Now glossy looks great, bright and bold, but there's something about it matte that makes me prefer that one the most. It's a stunning colour. I'm very happy that I now have this in my collection. Next we have Mental Mint. As I said, I have quite a few classic mint green colours in my collection, but they're all very different in shades and I really like that. I personally love mint green as a nail base. I have made many manis with them. They are a personal favourite, great for spring, summer and even autumn as well, and I do believe I've also done Christmas manis using them as well. All of these 5 colours have been added to my swatching pop stick box for my stamping plate swatch videos, so you'll be seeing these colours very soon in my videos, along with some mani videos as well. I'm excited to see what I can create with them all. And just like the other 4, Mental Mint has cured and top coated brilliantly. Again, whether you go matte or glossy, another great base colour. Personally, I prefer it matte, but that's just me. So a great little haul. I love Bluesky. Since filming this video, I have done a full new set of gum gel nails using this tube of clear gum gel, and I've also added 1 layer of the Nude Zone as well. I'm so happy I've got all of these products to create some great manis with. In the description box I will leave a link to my Bluesky Gum Gel Application video. It is over a year old and I have changed a few things, but I'll leave that in the description box for you. All of these swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my Bluesky haul. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time. Thanks for watching and bye.